Hearth and Home Cleaning Company, a marketing plan. Hearth and Home Cleaning Company is a residential cleaning service built around one core idea, that a clean home shouldn't come at the cost of your health. All of their services use eco-friendly, plant-based, biodegradable cleaning products, which are especially important for homes with children, pets, or individuals with allergies or sensitivities. Hearth and Home reaches customers through a combination of its product, pricing, and distribution strategy. The product is eco-friendly, non-toxic, and biodegradable, appealing to families and environmentally conscious households. Their pricing is positioned as premium, reflecting the high quality and environmental benefits of their services. In terms of place, they use online booking through their website and service local areas directly. Additionally, they partner with eco-friendly retailers to expand the reach and maintain visibility in the market. Hearth and Home positions itself as a premium, eco-friendly home cleaning service that prioritizes health and environmental responsibility. Their brand identity emphasizes trust, safety, and convenience, appealing to households who are conscious about chemical exposure and sustainability. By using non-toxic, biodegradable cleaning products and offering personalized services, Hearth and Home differentiates itself from traditional cleaning companies. This positioning supports their ability to charge a premium price and strengthens their appeal in a growing market for green, health-conscious cleaning solutions. Hearth and Home focuses on the social media platforms where homeowners are most active, so Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and Google Business. Instagram and Facebook are ideal for visual content such as before and after cleaning photos, customer testimonials, and service highlights, and they allow for targeted local advertising to reach nearby households. TikTok is used for short, engaging content like eco-friendly cleaning tips, organizing hacks, and behind-the-scene clips, which helps humanize the brand and appeal to younger, sustainably conscious audiences. Google Business is critical for local search visibility, with reviews, photos, and quick responses enhancing credibility. Their social strategy emphasizes transparency, education, and demonstrating the eco-friendly value of their services, which can strengthen brand loyalty. Hearth and Home follows a value-based pricing approach, meaning prices are set based on the quality of service and the unique value that they provide, not just on the cost of labor. Because the company uses non-toxic biodegradable cleaning products and hires trained technicians, customers perceive the service as safer and higher quality compared to traditional cleaning companies. Their pricing structure is simple and transparent, with tiers such as standard, deep, or move-in, move-out cleaning. Overall, the pricing strategy positions the company as premium, but as an accessible option. Social media is a major tool for Hearth and Home, especially platforms like Facebook and Instagram. They post cleaning tips, eco-friendly advice, and customer testimonials to engage their audience and target local households. Local events and sponsorships help connect directly with the community and reinforce the brand as community focused while still being eco conscious. Referral programs and loyalty rewards encourage customers to share the service and return for repeat visits. Eco friendly storytelling is used in all messaging to highlight the company's commitment to non toxic biodegradable products. Their primary channel is direct to consumer online booking via the website or their app, which also provides valuable customer data. Local partnerships with eco friendly retailers reinforce sustainability commitments and tap into existing customer bases. Subscription based cleaning plans create recurring revenue and convenience for customers. Hearth and Home uses a premium pricing strategy aligned with eco friendly and non toxic products. Subscription plans provide convenience and predictable revenue. Pricing is transparent and value focused, helping customers understand exactly what they're paying for and reinforcing trust. Social media campaigns on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook allow the company to reach eco conscious customers. Partnerships with sustainability-focused influencers help build credibility. Local advertising and sponsorships strengthen community presence, while referral programs encourage word of mouth marketing. Hearth and Home Cleaning Company has positioned itself effectively in the eco-friendly cleaning market. With global eco-friendly cleaning sales projected to grow from $32.2 billion in 2024 to $56.2 billion by 2030, there's a strong market demand for non-toxic, environmentally safe products. By using a strategic marketing mix, including digital campaigns, local promotions, and social media engagement, the company builds awareness and loyalty. Competitive differentiation from subscription plans to eco-friendly practices supports sustainable long-term growth. Let's take a look at Hearth and Home's SWOT analysis. The company stands out with its eco-friendly, non-toxic cleaning products. Plus, their flexible subscription model makes it convenient for customers and builds loyalty. A challenge that they face is the higher price point. Some customers might hesitate, but many are willing to pay more for safe, sustainable cleaning options. The market for eco-conscious products is growing quickly, as we talked about in the last slide. A risk is that competitors could copy eco-friendly services. That's why the company needs to keep emphasizing quality, trust, and stronger customer relationships to stay ahead. Overall, this SWOT shows that while there are some challenges, Hearth and Home's strengths and growing eco-friendly market put it in a strong position for long-term success. In conclusion, Hearth and Home Cleaning Company has positioned itself effectively in the eco-friendly cleaning market. Their premium service meets a growing need for non-toxic, environmentally safe products. By using a strategic marketing mix, including digital campaigns, local promotions, and social media engagement, the company builds both awareness and customer loyalty. Finally, competitive differentiation from subscription and plans to eco-friendly practices supports sustainable long-term growth and strengthens their market position.